So we're going to IKEA today to pick up some stuff for my beauty room. I'm gonna do a beauty room, beauty section, because that's what I have. Me and my husband actually split a game room, beauty room, you know, in half. So one side's his side, one side's my side. So I'm gonna go get some more storage for that. I got my son with me, my husband. Say hey, babe. So yeah, while we're there, I'm gonna show you guys some of the stuff IKEA has and the stuff that we're picking out. Okay.
This don't match Carter Gray room.
Oh yeah, but that's too big for his room.
Too big?
Yes.
No, you mount the TV over it and it got like a little curtain.
It's nice.
And that's the small one.
Let me see.
We have like soft clothing.
Oh, I like this one. But it's so low to the ground. Oh yeah, these are pretty. I like this one. That one's cute.
It's so low.
I don't like this.
Yeah, I don't mind something like this.
Hmm?
Oh, that's nice.
Isn't that pretty?
Yeah.
Look at this one. This one slides.
Well, I like your dad's slides. See, mama's slides.
I love these. Ooh, look at this one, Victor. This goes with his stuff too. That's the same price. No, it's too. Look, babe, you could put your clothes in something like this. It's only $80. That's nice.
Not
I
bad.
don't even got no space.
If you move that,
I think them people care when they be on YouTube before making money. They care people looking.
this one's only $30, Victor.
Yeah, that's what I got. The money's black.
Ooh, look at this one. This is pretty.
See, I want to give me a great shelf today. Yep.
Oh, there go your the ones that you want.
This.
Yeah, for his game room. They have a lot of nice
It's 60.
ones too.
Actually, $60.
You guys, I want this one right here for my next beauty room for when I move. It's only $100. I love this. This is the one I want, Victor, when we come back.
Yeah, this one nice too.
That's the same one that's on this side. Only $100. Now this is the iconic shelf that all the YouTubers have right here. And it is $60. It's not even that much, y'all. $60. The shelf right here, the long
Oh,
shelf,
that's it.
$20. It's not bad.
What about these?
And the small ones are $8. For those of you who have never been to IKEA,
$8?
you gotta come. And they got that shelf that I showed you up here. They have it in this color as well. For the same price. That light over there, I want to add to my video. When we buy, right now we're still renting, but this year we decided that we're going to buy.
Kids for tours. I don't do no tours.
That is
I
nice.
don't do no show.
I don't know if I want that in my home though.
Oh, I love that.
Yeah, I like it too. I like.
You just say you don't like that.
I don't. I don't like that. I like the table setup. This is cute. Ooh, for an outdoor patio. You guys, inspiration. Come out to IKEA. And this video is not sponsored. I just love IKEA. It's one of my favorite places. If you have a small apartment, they give you setup ideas.
Oh, hot on this side, cold on this side.
Really nice faucets, you guys, if you're redoing your home. Really, really pretty. And they sell refrigerators. And they sell farmhouse sinks. Only $180. So for those of you who have a kitchen with no island and you want an island, IKEA has islands. This one is $400. And have smaller ones for smaller places, smaller apartments or houses. All the table setups. Dining room area setup. Nice inspiration for if you guys want to put pictures of family or painted pictures that you guys want to make on your own. Ooh, this mirror. It's everything. Need to come back to that. And then this kitchen. Like I said, if you want to redo your kitchen, you can apply.
We already got the organizers.
For all these people who love to do DIYs, you can get all your organizational things here too.
I don't like this though. I don't like the bowl.
No, this is not the main sink. This is a sink just in the bar. That's the main sink over there.
Where are two sinks?
Well, these pretty acrylic chairs are only $80. Cute. I love how IKEA gives you ideas. A hammock over here. These chairs. Oh, that's the pillow. I was gonna say the chair is $6.99. No. So let's say the table is $90. The chairs, let me see. How much are the chairs? I don't see a price. Price y'all, but this is that. And then look at how cute this is, you guys. It's kind of bright. That is so cute if you have a small yard. And then look at this set back here, y'all. It's $400. It's not bad. This right here, cute too. So these are the iconic drawers. These are the iconic drawers. They're $160. You can get them in this color. I actually have those ones up there. Those are $80. This one is $130. Comes in different colors, gray and brown. My husband says I should get this one. $160, same price as the other one. They are deep. Only thing is, the space that we're sharing, I'm not gonna have enough space for this. Oh, I love that. This dresser right here, you guys. The mirror is $100. I like how you can make this a long mirror or, you know, vertical or horizontal. And the long curtains, that's what I love about IKEA. They always have the long curtains. This dresser is $280. Let me see, open that back up.
When you open it, the light turns on.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
I need to go find
And
the light.
you guys can also have them build you a custom closet. They do that as well.
These pull out.
Oh yeah, that's nice. I love.
I love that you got it like candles.
Right. So if you guys want to redo your closet, like I said, they redo all kitchens, closets, bathrooms. This is really nice if you guys want to have that for like a beauty room. Look how big these are, you guys. Like, if you want. And then they got the lights where they come on. These ones I really love over here, y'all. This one's right here. That's real cute. Which one slide? Do it again. Slide it. Oh yeah, that's nice.
Over
I
there,
like how this one has like a little laundry area. And it's $309.
over there is a go recorded. It's like a kiosk credit where you
Right
apply.
here?
Over there.
Oh, over there is a kiosk credit. Like if you want to apply to get your kitchen or closet redone, you apply right here and see if you get approved. Oh, this is the kids section. You want to redo, you know, your kids' room. You need some ideas. They have some really, really cute ideas for kids, y'all. Look at that wall. I love how they did the bookshelf above the bed. Kids' bathroom ideas. I love the wall paint. Oh, look at the sinks. You guys are so tiny. That's a really cute solar system. I think my son actually needs this as well so he can learn. Alright, you guys, so we made it back home, and these are the things that I ended up getting from IKEA. I will do another video on my beauty area. I say area because, like I said, me and my husband share a room. So I like this because it's like a locker. The material is not wood like my other things, and you can actually put a lock on it. And then I also got another shelf right here for my foundations. And then I got a frame for my little sister that passed away. And like I said, and my husband also got me these lights to go above my mirror and below it. And I love that. It's so cute. Thank y'all so much. I had such a good time today shopping at IKEA with my husband and son. And I actually love putting stuff together. We really had fun. So please don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below if you guys like these type of videos, like shopping with me. I'll do more. And let me know what you guys like from IKEA because I'll check that out too. Thank you.